At the bottom of our world, shrouded in mystery and cloaked in ice, lies a land so vast and cold. It's a place where the elements reign supreme, and the landscape stretches out in an unbroken expanse of white. It feels almost alien. Antarctica. A world sculpted by ice and wind, where the familiar rules of nature seem to bend and break. It's a place that challenges our perceptions and ignites our imagination. A continent of ice, a frozen realm of unparalleled scale. A desert of white stretching beyond the horizon, an endless canvas of snow and ice that seems to swallow the sky. It's a landscape that humbles and inspires in equal measure. Here, wind sculpts frozen mountains, carving intricate patterns into the ice, creating a surreal and breathtaking panorama. These frozen peaks stand as silent sentinels, guarding the secrets of this icy kingdom, and the sun casts long, haunting shadows, painting the landscape in shades of blue and gray, adding to the ethereal beauty of this frozen world. The light dances across the ice, creating an ever-changing spectacle. Silence reigns, a profound and absolute quiet that is both calming and unsettling, broken only by the crack of a glacier, a sound like thunder that echoes across the vast emptiness, a reminder of the immense forces at play in this frozen land, or a penguin's call, a burst of life in the otherwise silent landscape, a testament to the resilience of nature in the face of extreme conditions. For centuries it was a myth, a whispered legend on ancient maps. Terra Australis Incognita, the unknown southern land, a source of endless fascination and speculation for explorers and cartographers alike. Today, it remains Earth's last great wilderness, a pristine and untouched realm where nature reigns supreme. Full of secrets and wonders, hidden beneath the ice and etched into the very fabric of the landscape. Antarctica is the ultimate adventure, a challenge to the human spirit and a testament to our enduring desire to explore the unknown. The final frontier for explorers and dreamers, a place where the boundaries of human experience are constantly being pushed. Its air is the purest on the planet, crisp and clean, filling your lungs with a sense of invigorating freshness. Its beauty both serene and raw, a delicate balance between tranquility and untamed power. But beneath the stillness lies untamed power, the immense force of glaciers grinding against rock, the relentless winds that shape the landscape. A place of extremes where survival is a daily struggle, a constant test of endurance for both humans and wildlife. It's a desert holding 70% of the world's fresh water, locked away in its vast ice sheets, a vital resource for the planet. A land of endless light and darkness where the sun never sets in summer and never rises in winter, a place of dramatic contrasts. Though it seems empty, a barren wasteland of ice and snow, life thrives here, especially along its rugged coasts where penguins, seals and whales find refuge in the icy waters. Antarctica's paradox, a land of contradictions and unexpected wonders. Its silence is full of stories etched in the ice, whispered by the wind, waiting to be discovered. Its desolation breathtakingly beautiful, a stark and unforgiving landscape that captivates the soul. We come not just to see, but to understand, to unravel the mysteries of this frozen continent, to witness the resilience of life, the incredible adaptations that allow creatures to thrive in this extreme environment. In the harshest environment on Earth, a place that challenges our understanding of what is possible. This is a journey to the end of the world, a voyage to a place unlike any other. Into the heart of the white wilderness where adventure awaits and the secrets of Antarctica beckon. Antarctica's landscape is a masterpiece, a sprawling canvas of ice and snow stretching as far as the eye can see. It's a place where the raw power of nature is on full display, a testament to the forces that have shaped our planet for millennia. The sheer scale of the continent is breathtaking, a humbling reminder of our place in the natural world. Sculpted by ice and time, the land tells a story of relentless pressure and slow, deliberate movement. The wind and the cold have carved intricate patterns into the ice, creating a surreal and otherworldly landscape. These formations stand as silent witnesses to the passage of ages, their surfaces etched with the marks of countless seasons. The East Antarctic ice sheets, a colossal expanse of frozen water, and West Antarctic ice sheets, miles thick, represent the largest single mass of ice on Earth. They hold a significant portion of the world's fresh water, a frozen reservoir that plays a crucial role in regulating global sea levels, are in constant motion, shaping the land beneath with their immense weight and grinding force. These rivers of ice flow slowly but surely, carving out valleys and reshaping coastlines as they inch towards the sea. Glaciers flow from the high plateau, driven by gravity, and the relentless accumulation of snow, carving deep valleys through ancient mountains, leaving behind a dramatic testament to their power. These valleys, once filled with ice, now stand as stark reminders of the forces that have shaped this continent. At the coast, glaciers end in towering cliffs of ice, a dramatic meeting point between land and sea. These icy precipices are constantly changing, as the relentless forces of nature continue to sculpt and reshape them, calving icebergs with thunderous force, a spectacle of raw power and natural drama. The sound of the ice breaking free echoes across the landscape, a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of Antarctica. These icebergs, some as large as countries, are like floating islands of ice, drift silently into the Southern Ocean, ever-changing with the currents and the seasons. They are majestic and awe-inspiring, a testament to the immense scale of the Antarctic ice sheet. In winter, sea ice doubles the continent's size, expanding outwards to create a vast frozen frontier, creating a floating platform vital to the ecosystem, a foundation for life in this frozen realm. It's a hunting ground for seals and penguins, who depend on the ice for access to food and breeding grounds. A nursery for krill, the tiny crustaceans that form the base of the Antarctic food web, and a shield against southern storms, protecting the coastline from the full force of the elements. The ice surface is a mosaic, a constantly shifting tapestry of textures and patterns. Smooth nunelas, a delicate skin of ice forming on the surface of the water, jagged pressure ridges where the ice has buckled and fractured under immense pressure. All painted in blinding white and luminous blue, a spectrum of colors that reflects the purity and intensity of this frozen world. The blue, deep within crevasses, hints at the secrets hidden beneath the surface, glows with the story of millennia under pressure, a visual representation of the immense forces that have shaped this continent. This is the color of ancient ice, ice that has been compressed and frozen for thousands of years. A blue you never forget, a mesmerizing hue that speaks to the deep history of this frozen land. Antarctica's beauty is harsh, a stark and unforgiving landscape that demands respect, its scale humbling, a reminder of the power and indifference of nature. Here the landscape is alive, constantly changing and evolving, always shifting, always powerful, a dynamic interplay of ice, wind and water. It's a world where nature's artistry is on full display, a gallery of ice sculptures crafted by the elements, and force are on full display, a reminder of the raw power that shapes our planet. And every moment here is unforgettable, a testament to the unique and awe-inspiring beauty of Antarctica. The Southern Ocean may look empty, but beneath its icy surface lies a world teeming with life. Cold, nutrient-rich currents fuel one of the planet's most productive marine ecosystems. At its heart is Antarctic krill, tiny crustaceans that form swarms visible from space. Krill feed on phytoplankton and in turn sustain nearly every larger animal, from fish to whales. The seafloor is home to giant sea spiders, glass sponges, colorful sea stars, and ice fish with antifreeze in their blood. Life here moves at a slower rhythm adapted to the relentless cold. These creatures thrive where most would perish, using unique adaptations to survive. Exploring this underwater realm is like visiting another planet. Alien, beautiful, and full of surprises. Even in the harshest corners of Earth, life finds a way to flourish. Antarctica's hidden garden is a testament to resilience and complexity. It reminds us that the most extreme places can harbor the richest stories. On land, survival is a daily battle, but Antarctica's wildlife are true masters of the cold. Penguins, with their waterproof feathers and thick blubber, thrive in colonies, sharing warmth against the wind. From the pebble-nesting Adelie to the stoic Gentoo, each species has its own strategy for life on the ice. Seals, too, are perfectly adapted. Weddell seals dive deep and rasp breathing holes in the ice, while crab-eater seals filter krill with specialized teeth. The leopard seal, a solitary apex predator, rules the shallows with power and stealth. These animals are marvels of evolution, each a survival specialist in a world of extremes. Their presence brings life and drama to the frozen coast. In Antarctica, every creature is a testament to nature's ingenuity. The emperor penguin story, a saga etched in ice and resilience, unfolds in the most extreme environment on our planet. It is a testament to the power of endurance and unwavering devotion, a narrative woven into the very fabric of the Antarctic wilderness. Their lives are a constant battle against the elements, a struggle for survival in a land where few can thrive. The largest of all penguin species, a true giant among its kin, they undertake the most arduous breeding journey, choosing to raise their families in the very heart of the Antarctic winter, when conditions are at their most unforgiving. As darkness descends, blanketing the landscape in an almost perpetual night and temperatures plummet to unimaginable lows, they embark on an epic march inland, traversing miles of treacherous terrain to reach their ancestral breeding grounds, driven by an instinct as old as time itself. The female, after her long journey, lays a single, precious egg, then carefully and delicately transfers it to her mate, a crucial step in the continuation of their lineage. With her duty fulfilled for now, she begins her own journey, returning to the distant sea to replenish her depleted reserves and feed. The male, now entrusted with the future, stands guard, cradling the egg on his feet, protecting it from the frozen ground and the biting winds. He faces months of unrelenting darkness and brutal cold, a period of fasting and unwavering commitment, all without a single morsel of food. Huddled tightly together, the males form a united front, sharing their collective warmth, a vital strategy for survival. They constantly rotate positions within the huddle, ensuring that each individual has a chance to escape the brunt of the relentless icy winds that sweep across the frozen plains. After what seems like an eternity, the miracle of life unfolds, and the chick finally hatches. The male, despite his weakened state, feeds it with a special nutrient-rich substance produced in his throat, a temporary sustenance. He continues this care until the female returns, her arrival heralded by their unique and unmistakable calls, a symphony of reunion in the frozen wilderness. This extraordinary cycle of sacrifice, unwavering commitment, and seamless cooperation ensures the survival of the next generation, perpetuating the legacy of these incredible creatures in the face of overwhelming adversity. The emperor penguin's journey, a testament to their remarkable adaptation and resilience, stands as a powerful symbol of resilience, a beacon of hope in a world often defined by its fragility. Against all odds, defying the limitations of nature, life not only persists but thrives in the harshest, most unforgiving place on Earth, a testament to the enduring power of adaptation. Their story is a powerful reminder of hope, a testament to the enduring spirit of life, endurance in the face of unimaginable hardship, and the unbreakable bond of family, a force that transcends the limitations of the physical world and binds them together in the face of adversity. In the heart of Antarctica, where survival is a daily struggle, their shared triumph is a beacon of inspiration, a testament to the power of unity and resilience in the face of overwhelming odds. Antarctica is more than remote. It's vital to our planet's health. Its ice sheet acts as a giant mirror, reflecting sunlight and helping keep Earth cool. If this ice melts, darker land and ocean absorb more heat, accelerating global warming. The Southern Ocean drives a worldwide network of currents, distributing heat and nutrients across the globe. Changes here ripple out, affecting weather and sea levels everywhere. But Antarctica is under threat. Warming temperatures are melting glaciers and weakening ice shelves. The water locked in Antarctic ice could raise sea levels by nearly 200 feet. Scientists monitor these changes, drilling ice cores and tracking glaciers from space. Their data is a warning. Antarctica is responding to our changing climate. Its fate is tied to ours, and what happens here will shape the future of human civilization. The silent heart of the ice is sounding an alarm. The world is listening. Antarctica is a living laboratory, offering unique conditions for groundbreaking research. Astronomers use its clear, dry air to peer deep into the universe, studying the afterglow of the Big Bang. Geologists and biologists extract ancient ice cores, revealing Earth's climate history and the secrets of adaptation. Microbes found in subglacial lakes may hold clues to life on other worlds. The continent's isolation makes it ideal for studying Earth's magnetic field and the dazzling southern lights. International cooperation thrives here under the Antarctic Treaty, dedicating the land to peace and science. Dozens of nations collaborate, setting aside differences for discovery. Antarctica stands as a symbol of what humanity can achieve together. It is a continent for science and for peace. Before science, Antarctica was the ultimate prize for explorers. Names like Shackleton, Scott, and Amundsen echo through its icy history. The race to the South Pole in 1911 was a drama of endurance and tragedy. Amundsen's team reached the pole first. Scott's arrived weeks later, only to perish on the return. Shackleton's endurance expedition became a legend of survival. His crew stranded, their ship crushed, yet every man saved. These stories are etched into the frozen landscape, reminders of human courage and the unforgiving power of nature. The huts and artifacts left behind are time capsules of ambition and sacrifice. Antarctica's history is a testament to the limits of endurance and the spirit of exploration. The ghosts of these pioneers still haunt the white wilderness. Their legacy inspires every journey here. Antarctica's greatest secrets lie hidden beneath its vast ice sheet. Using radar, scientists have mapped buried mountain ranges and discovered over 400 subglacial lakes. The largest, Lake Vostok, is sealed under miles of ice, isolated for millions of years. Could life exist in these dark ancient waters? The search is on. Drilling into these lakes is a delicate challenge. Scientists must avoid contamination. Early samples may reveal new forms of life, reshaping our understanding of survival. Strange magnetic anomalies and seismic events hint at even more mysteries below. Every discovery opens new questions, pushing the boundaries of science and imagination. Antarctica remains a frontier of the unknown waiting to be explored. We've journeyed to the bottom of the world, witnessed its beauty, and met its resilient inhabitants. Antarctica is more than a place. It's a mirror, a laboratory, and a sanctuary. Its fate is tied to ours, and its stories connect us all. The spirit of exploration lives on, in scientists and in all who wonder about wild places. To explore is to be human, to seek, to learn, to connect. This journey is just one chapter in the epic story of our planet. Countless wonders await, from the deepest oceans to the highest peaks. We want to share these stories with you, so tell us, where should we go next? What place captures your imagination? Let us know in the comments. Your curiosity will guide our next adventure. If this journey inspired you, share it, like, and subscribe for more. The adventure continues.